Guys, here's an update on Rosa's condition. Her bumblefoot is going away nicely. She's quite talkative, as you can see. And she's an air conditioning hog. She's confused as to whether to eat it or leave it. I also taught her a new trick. Rosa, say I love you. Rosa, say I love you. I love you. You have to coax her to do it. So yeah. I love you too. Yeah, she's doing quite well. And her medicine is hanging over there in that little baggie. She's healing up quite nicely. Bumblefoot is a real pain in the butt. Or pain in the foot. I'm sorry, I shouldn't laugh at that. Rosa, is Bumblefoot funny? She didn't think it's a laughing matter. Alright, see you later, guys. Rosa, say goodbye. Say bye-bye.